Heidi ho there, friends and neighbors. Hey folks, today I'm here with my son,
Nathaniel.
and we're going to talk about guard versus no guard, okay? And we are going to tell you our thoughts and opinion on whether to keep the guard on or take it off, okay? So first of all, what we have here today, guys, is an Echo 225?
GT 225.
GT 225 that we purchased at Home Depot earlier this season. It's kind of a lightweight trimmer, not the highest horsepower that you can buy, but it works pretty good and it's lightweight, okay? And I got this handle here that I had from an older trimmer that I had, and I actually just bolted it on here. It makes it great for me, okay?
And it's kind of more like the Darwins.
Well, no, it's not quite a Darwin grip, but it's something similar to that, you know, where you can grab this instead of grabbing something like really close to the trimmer. Keeps you from bending over as much, especially with this curved shaft trimmer here. Yeah. But anyway, let's get back on topic here. So Nathaniel, tell us, are you a guard on or guard off guy?
Guard on.
Okay, cool. Now tell us one reason that you like the guard on.
Well, actually, I got two reasons.
Okay, go ahead.
All right. One, when I weed eat, if you weed with the guard off, when you're trying to weed eat debris, it's gonna hit the window.
Okay, yeah.
And it might hit a car.
Yep, true. Okay, so it slings stuff just randomly anywhere. At least with the guard, you can turn. You got at least this much area here. You can turn it toward what you're trying to protect, and you won't sling as much stuff in this general direction here. So he does have a point there. It gives you a little bit more protection as far as slinging stuff and hitting things that you don't want to break. So, yeah. So what's your other one?
All right, and my second reason, if you take the guard off, it's too much strain. You're trying to pump it.
Yep.
Hit the head.
Yep. Okay. So when you bump the head, too much strain can come out, and it doesn't have a way of trimming itself like it does when you have the guard on. Because the guard has a little. Most every guard I've ever seen for any weed eater or trimmer, whatever you're gonna call it, has a little piece of razor blade on there that actually trims the line off the perfect length. Okay. And so now that's your two reasons. So now I'm going to let everybody know. Am I guard on or guard off kind of guy? And I am guard on, okay? And the biggest reason is what we just talked about, is being able to trim, being able to bump it, and the line get trimmed off to the correct length to where it doesn't bog the motor down, okay? Because this unit here doesn't have a whole lot of power, and we've had the guard off of this one before. And when we did, if you let too much string out, it just doesn't have any power at all, okay? You're not really cutting as well, although you got more string out there cutting a bigger diameter, it's not spinning at enough RPM to really do good, okay? And so I like having the correct length on there. It makes it a lot easier for me anyway. So that's my big pro for being guard on, okay? And then I guess if I had to pick one reason, there's really only one reason that I can think of that is better with the guard off, okay? And that reason is edging, okay? So edging is easier with the guard off, okay? Because with the guard on, you can't really see where you're at. You know, you might be able to move the guard around. Maybe you could trim off part of the guard. I know that there is, what is the Echo straight shaft? The one that's sold at Home Depot?
The SRM.
SRM 225?
Yeah.
That one has a very narrow guard on it that's actually about that wide. I haven't tried one of those yet, but that one actually might, you might be able to see better with it when you're edging. But that's the only pro, for guard off that I can think of. It just makes it a little easier to edge because you can see where you're at. You can see the string and everything better. But for all other intents and purposes, I'm guard on. Me and Nathaniel are both guard on. We've had the guard off of two of our trimmers there for a while. and we put them back on, and I'll never take them off again. So that's our opinion. And I know another thing, I know this from being a mechanic, for 34 years, that engines do not like to run loaded, okay? Like bogging down, all right? So these engines here aren't made for that either. So if you got a whole bunch of string out there and you're putting a bogging down of the engine, you're not doing it any good. It's not going to last as long, okay? Because so there you go. That's my biggest reason. That's another reason as well, okay? So I think you get less wear and tear probably on the unit as well if you don't have more string strung out there than the equipment is designed for, okay? So that's my opinion. That's Nathaniel's opinion. And I'm sure some of you guys will have a different opinion. Please leave us a comment down below. Let us know if you have any other reasons to go guard off. And, be nice in the comments. We can agree to disagree. So guys, thank you for stopping by today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And, leave us a comment. Let us know ideas for videos in the future. If there's something you'd like to see, leave us a comment. Let us know. Maybe we can make that happen. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Take care.